Before you can start using MoniMaster for iOS, you need to register an account and purchase the right plan by clicking on the link below the video. Now, let's get started. Step 1. Visit this website using the browser of the target computer and download the application. It is recommended to download directly to the computer you want to target. If you have regular access to the target iPhone, you can also download it on your own computer. Step 2. Install the application. For Windows users, once the download is complete, click on the X file to begin the installation process. In this screen, you can choose whether to hide the application icon or not. After hiding, no shortcuts will be shown on the desktop, taskbar and start menu. You can find MoniMaster in two ways. Method 1. Navigate to the program installation path and click on the X file. By default, the installation path is this. If you customize the installation path, make sure you remember it. Method 2. Log into MoniMaster's online dashboard on the target computer's browser and click Open MoniMaster app. For Mac users, after downloading, drag the program files to the Applications folder. Once installed, launch the program and log into your account. Step 3. Scan for target data. If there is no backup file available on your computer, you need to connect the target iOS device to your computer via USB cable, then follow the instructions to confirm the device information and enable the USB settings. Enter password to trust this computer. If there is a backup file available on the computer, MoniMaster will display the found backups. If the device you want to monitor is not in the list or you just want to see the latest data, you can click the Connect Target Device option at the bottom. You can also synchronize your data via Wi-Fi. Once your iPhone, iPad and computer are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, just click the Wi-Fi icon in the navigation bar to select a device to sync data remotely. But before that, you still need to connect your device to PC once and trust the computer to grant permissions. MoniMaster for iOS allows you to check iTunes data and iCloud data of the target iOS device. Please note, to check the iCloud data of the target iOS device, you must prepare an iPhone without data for signing in to the Apple ID of the target device. You can do this by preparing a brand new iPhone or clicking Restore iPhone to factory settings in the program. Step 4. Start viewing the target iPhone, iPad on your computer. Once the scanning process is complete, all the scanned information will be displayed on the dashboard and you can switch between different file types and view the details. In addition, you can also export all the data to your computer.